In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the back loop single crochet. This stitch is very helpful in creating a ribbed effect, which gives you also some stretch to it. A lot of times you end up seeing this kind of stitch being used when making hats. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and create your slip knot. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 10. You can chain any multiples that you want for it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and chain 1. And from the first loop from the hook, go ahead and insert your hook and single crochet all the way back. So that's an insert, yarn over, and then pull through. Insert, yarn over, and pull through. Alright, go ahead and turn your work and chain 1. So if you were going to do a single crochet, you would go through both of this one loop, going through both. But since this is a back loop single crochet, we're going to take our hook pointing downward and we're going to go through the hole in the middle right here and insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. So this little hole right here in between the two, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Again, insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. Insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. And you want to end up doing this all the way to the end of your row. Alright, last stitch, insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. So you want to turn your work, chain 1, and we'll do the same thing going in from the top into your hole, just grabbing that back stitch. Insert, yarn over, and pull through. Alright, and there you have it. That is how you end up doing the back loop single crochet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know down in the comments what type of project you will be doing with your back loop single crochet. With new videos being posted every Monday, hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when new videos are being posted. Have a joyful crochet day.